If in normal transformer, primary side and secondary side, number of turns N1 and N2, and depending upon the N1 and N2, there is a voltage here, and because of the voltage drop, because of the overloading here, voltage has been dropped down. So what you can do, if you say in place of this, earlier say it was connected here, if you make it here, what will happen? Number of N2 becomes less, N2 are less, so same voltage applied here, so here voltage will be less. If you want to say this is N1 is here, there is a provision of going up. If you make it N1 to N2, if you go from here to here, if you go, so then voltage will be increased. So, but what happens? By slight number of turns are 1000, for example, number of turns are 1000, and we want only 1% or less. Out of 1000, we want few turn, 2 turn, 3 turn, 5 turns, 1% voltage if you want to change. Voltage drop is always, how much voltage drop takes in the transmission line? Voltage is always normally 1 per unit. It can be 0.9 or 1.1. So only that amount of 1% voltage plus minus is needed here. So we can change by changing the turns. But what is the problem? This is called the offload tape changing. Offload means, now you see, suppose here 100 ampere current is flowing. Now from here you want to go there. So when it is connected here, then 100 ampere current. How will you move from here to here? Is it possible to move from point A? Suppose this point is x1, this is x2. Can you move from x1 to x2? If 100 ampere current is flowing, then it means you have to make the contact. You have to disconnect here, then you have to connect here. So if you disconnect and connect, during that what will happen? 100 ampere current is flowing. If you disconnect, so arc will be there. 100 ampere current, it cannot be stopped immediately. 100 ampere current cannot be 0 and cannot be again 100. So the complete arcing will be there here. Sparking will be there from here to here. So this is not allowed. Actually, this can be done only when we know in certain situation that during the daytime, say load become high, then you can say make the system off, make the turns change, tapping change, then again you can make a start. Then that is called the offload changing. But this is not the good practice. We don't want the load to be disturbed. Then what is to be done? We have to make on load tap changing. On load tap changing. On load tap changing means we have not to disturb the load. इसमें अगर 100 ampere current flow हो रहा है, this 100 ampere current will continuously to flow. Now see how it is happening. The primary winding is this, secondary winding is made in the two part. This is secondary. Secondary is here. This is also secondary. This is also secondary, and this is there. Now what happens here? Say for example, in the beginning, say for example, this is B, this is A, and this is connected. So what is happening here? B and A, this B and A, both are sources in the beginning. The full winding of this, these are number of turns N2, the complete winding of secondary side that comes in contact with the load. Now suppose you want to make from here to here, then what we do? What is to be done? First of all, say the connection is double. It is connected here. Say it is connected here. this point, this say point number, this is point number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 are connected. So, but you want to, that number of turns here should be less because of the change in voltage. We want it to be. So, what we will do? Say if you move this from here to point number 3. If you move point number 3, then this is load is not disconnected, because even if you are making this contact off, this contact is available. Okay, when this contact is available, it means and voltage, number of turns V1 by V2, number of turns are the same, V1 by V2, same voltage will not affect. Whatever voltage is here, same voltage is here, because number of turns here and here are same, identical. So this voltage, the same voltage is available and same 100 ampere current is flowing, but this current flowing in place of the 2, it is flowing only in the 1. आपका 100 एम्पियर अदरवाइज क्या था, 50 इससे फ्लो हो रहा था, बट ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कनेक्शन फ्रॉम हियर द एंटायर 100 एम्पियर करंट वाज फ्लोइंग थ्रू दिस. Then 100 ampere current is flowing here. Then later on what we can do, when you connect here, then make this connect. ये तो connect है ही. Then make this disconnect and again make it this. So then both are connected at the point number 3. ये point number 3, point number 3. तो इसमें कितना करंट फ्लो होगा, अगेन 100 एम्पियर, बट ड्यूरिंग इन बिटवीन व्हेन यू आर मेकिंग द स्विच चेंज इन बिटवीन द 50 एम्पियर 100 एम्पियर, अदरवाइज नॉर्मल रनिंग कंडीशन 50 and 50 टोटल 100, बट फॉर ए शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम व्हेन द टैप इज बीइंग चेंज्ड, फॉर दैट ड्यूरेशन 50 एम्पियर और एंटायर 100 एम्पियर करंट इज फ्लोइंग इनटू 1. ओके, सो एंड सिंस इट इज डन, द टाइम इज वेरी स्मॉल, arc will not be developed, no sparking will be there, but since time is very small, very frequently within a millisecond or within a less than fraction of second we change it. So for short duration of time it can take the double of the current whatever its rating is there. Okay, so accordingly it is designed. So this is the load tape changing on load. Then in the auto transformer, you know, this is primary, okay, this is secondary. here ट्रांसफार्मर में भी आप क्या करते हैं, आपने देखा होगा ऐसे ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर में आपको एक नोब है ऐसे घूमता रहता है, लैब में आपने देखा होगा. तो उससे होता क्या है, देखिए जैसे आपने ट्रांसफार्मर में ऑटो ट्रांसफार्मर में ऐसे ये मूव करा रहे हैं, तो व्हाट कैन हैपन, it may happen that when it is from here to here there is no connection. When there is no connection, then output current is 0. So 0 to maximum, 0 to 100 there will be sparking. The other condition may be that it can be connected to both. जो आपका दो टर्न पास है, इस टर्न से इससे भी कनेक्ट हो गया, इससे भी कनेक्ट हो गया, depending upon the lobe size. If it is connected to the both, then what will happen? Here a short, if it is connected to both, so a short circuit will occur here. Short circuit means ये current will flow into this and this portion will be burned out. Okay, so this may also happen. So to overcome that, what we do, say here it is a reactor, and from this it is a reactor, and one now you see what we do, we want the different taping here. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, say in the beginning suppose this connection is there, ये कनेक्शन आपका बना हुआ है, और when this connection is there, then and you want from here to here. Okay, so you make in the like this, So when this is connected here and later on you want to connect this, when this is connected here, half of this current is going like this and this switch is closed. So for a short duration, make the switch on, make the switch on, this off, and this point is connected here. So what will happen? This impedance is always there, either this side or this side. This impedance is always be connected with this. So the half of this will directly short circuiting is not there. This impedance will come into this picture, and finally this portion will not be short circuited. So now and what is the concept behind the controlling the voltage? There is a sending end voltage here, sending end voltage, there is receiving end voltage. एक यहाँ ट्रांसफॉर्मर होता है आपका जनरेशन साइड में और कल सेंडिंग साइड में, एक ट्रांसफॉर्मर आपका रिसीविंग साइड में होता है. सेंडिंग साइड सपोज ये क्या है 25 kV टू 66 kV, और यहाँ क्या होता है 66 kV से, सपोज करिए 66 kV से आपका फॉर एग्जाम्पल 11 kV और लेट इट बी 440 वोल्ट, although it is not directly done but let it be 440 वोल्ट. तो अब हम सपोज हैवी लोडिंग की वजह से, हैवी लोडिंग की वजह से आपका यहाँ वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हो रहा है, तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक तो ये टैपिंग है, इसको नीचे ले जाओ, इसको नीचे मींस सेम वोल्टेज आपका वोल्टेज ड्रॉप हो गया था. सपोज आपका इन प्लेस ऑफ 65 kV इतने टर्न पर लगाने के बजाय आपने नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स कम कर दिए, तो दिस साइड में क्या होगा, आपका वोल्टेज बढ़ जाएगा, क्योंकि ये नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स इधर कम हो गए, ये टर्न उतनी है. तो 66 kV अप्लाई टू द लेस नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स, 65 is applied to a less number of turns, so to the higher side the voltage will increase. Or this is a one, or what we can do, or here you increase the voltage number of turns, इस साइड में number of turns increase कर दें, the same effect will come. Normally what is done, दोनों तरह से हो सकता है, but normally what is done, both the tapings are done simultaneously. मतलब and their limit is nearly 1%, means if the tapping here is done T1, tapping here is done T2, then T1 and T2, T1 into T2 is equal to 1. मतलब इसमें अगर आपने 2% टर्न्स कम किया है तो इसको 2% बढ़ाएं, या 1% इसे कम किया तो 1% बढ़ाएं, दोनों को मिला के आपका ये नियरली 1 होना चाहिए. एक अगर 0.98 रह गया, 1.02 हो गया, तो 1.02 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 0.98 नियरली 1 आ जाएगा. मतलब दोनों को साथ साथ करते हैं, एक ही को नहीं करते. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट योर टेप चेंजिंग ऑफ द ट्रांसफॉर्मर. सो दिस यूनिट इज ओवर, टेप चेंजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मर यूनिट इज ओवर. Only now we will start the next unit, that is about the machines, electrical machines. Okay, is there any question up to now? Okay, thank you very much. ठीक है अमन.